Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited, and this is in amber whiskey and brilliant silver. Also has this really nice like maroon red pinstripe. We have dual disc braking up in the front, and this bike does have ABS as well, front and rear. We have the heel toe shifter, rider and passenger floorboards. Good bike protection front and rear as well. Saddlebags, tour pack with the luggage rack on top. Really comfortable for the passenger. They have their own speakers. And this does have the Vance and Hines exhaust. And this is all on the 103 cubic inch engine. Again, 2014, super clean Electra Glide Ultra Limited. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.